Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. Today is November 12th and I have just received in the mail my See New Skincare box. And I get this subscription box every 2 months, so should be the November-December box. So let's take a look and see what we got. And I really like their products. They feature one company per box, and they're all full-size products, I guess. So let's see, they always have a card here that says The Ritual. So this is by, is it TBC Skincare? And then the card has here what the products are and how to use them. And they always have this self-love menu with different little rituals. So hydrating, stretching, burning your favorite candle, and for how long to do that, just to get some nice and relaxation there. Okay, so let's take a look and see what we have in here. Okay, so here is, yes, it's called TBG. So this is a hair serum. It's called Sunray Natural Skincare, and it's made in California. Whoops, almost lost the camera there. But let's see what it has here. So, and usually they're natural ingredients. So let's take a look at this. So it's a dropper. Don't want to get anything on the table, but there you see it. It's this golden yellow. It smells good. So for the Sunray hair serum, it says results are strengthen, protect, and recover. And it's to help your hair grow. To help your hair grow, apply this serum on your scalp and massage it in with your fingers. Let it sit all night for an overnight treatment, and then proceed. So as you can see, it's a full size, and this is 1 fluid ounce. All right, let's see what we have next. Again, you may recognize this paper that I've used in my one of my collage pages. Wow, look how huge these are. As I mentioned, they are full size. So this is 6.3 ounces, and it's a face scrub, and it says gold. So let's take a look at this. Oh, look at this. So I'm not sure if it's sugar or salt, but as you can see, nice full size there. So let's see what it says about the face. Okay, so the gold face scrub. So that's this here. And it says results are rejuvenate, renew, and repair. And as far as for the ritual, after cleansing, apply a grape-sized amount of the gold scrub to your damp skin and gently massage using circular motions. Make sure to avoid contact with your eyes. Rinse off with warm water and then pat dry. So that's this. So you can see the little granules there. I should wipe that off. Okay. Let's see. Here's another huge container. Again, look how huge this is. So this is 4 ounces, and this is a body scrub, Earth. Now that's kind of nice. Oh, look at this one. So this is darker. It smells like coffee. Ooh, it smells so good. Makes me want to have a cup of coffee right now. So this is Earth. So Earth Body Scrub. Results regenerate, hydrate, and smooth. The ritual gently exfoliate your damp skin in a circular motion. Okay, so, it smells so good. It smells like fresh crushed or ground coffee beans. I love that one. And I do like all their products. I haven't been disappointed with any of their products with this skincare line. or skincare box, I should say. They, as I said, they promote a different skincare line in their subscription box. So this one is Face Mask C. And that is, okay, so the C face mask, results moisturize, smooth, and brighten. Again, teaspoon of the mask with 5 drops of water in a bowl. Okay, so let's take a look at this one, what it looks like. Okay, so this is, I guess it's like almost like a dry, creamy sensation feeling. So that's probably why you add the water. So this is kind of nice. A lot of scrubs and masks in this one. And let's see what else we have. And then this one is Lava Face Mask. Ooh, look how, like a golden bronze. Let me see what it's, whoops, again, sorry about that. What it smells like. It has like a chocolatey coffee smell to it. Let me see about the C one. I can't really describe the C one, but it does smell good. I mean, let's see the Lava one. So Lava Face Mask results glow, boost circulation, and nourish. And again, mixing, because it is a little bit drier. It's not that smooth consistency, so that's probably why I'm adding the water. So as you can see here, I think that's it. So for this one, the product line is TBG. So we have the hair serum, and that again was 1 fluid ounce. We have this, which was the the gold face mask, or face scrub, I should say. That one. Then there was this, the body scrub, which smells delicious. Like I said, just like coffee, ground coffee beans. Like going into a Starbucks. All right, and then this is the C face mask, and this is 2.1 ounces. And then the Lava face mask, which is 2.2 ounces. And so I'll be trying this. I always get excited when I get this particular box because I'm more into the skincare part of it rather than getting like the makeups and all that stuff. So, you know, once in a while is not bad, but I do like the skincare lines and getting to try them all out. And so this particular box is, again, a subscription box every 2 months, but you get the full sizes, and there's usually about 5 products to try out that line. And this line again is TBG. And again, these are how you use them. So it's a C face mask, the Sunray hair serum, Earth body scrub, Lava face mask, and the gold face scrub. If you have any questions or want to know more about the See New Skincare box, you know, just go ahead and leave a comment in the section below and let me know. This is not sponsored. I decided just to, you know, try out this box. And I think this is probably maybe my 6th box this year, my 5th or 6th box. And like I said, I haven't been disappointed. So again, if you have any questions, just let me know. But I'm excited to try this line. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, everyone. Hope you like, subscribe, and share. See you later. Bye.